Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a backup project on CapCut. So here, if you afraid of losing your project on CapCut, you can always create a backup for the project. So what you need to do is just open your CapCut, and in here in the edit page, just click on the project that you want to backup. For example, this one. Click on the three dots icon beside the name of the project, and here there will be an option to backup. This one at the top here, click on that. Click on backup, and here choose the space. If you want to just backup the project on mobile, just click on this. But if you want to backup the project on the CapCut web, click on this. So after that, just click on upload and wait. And to see the progress, click on the cloud button in here, and you'll see now the CapCut is backing up my projects in here, and just wait until it finishes. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.